Computer! An introduction to operating systems. Hello, and welcome to this deep dive into the fascinating world of computer science. Today, we're breaking down some of the key concepts that make your computer tick. We'll be looking at operating systems, utility software, drivers, and how the computer handles memory management and multitasking. What is an operating system? Oh, think of an operating system, OS, like the brain of your computer. It's the most important software on a computer because it manages all the hardware and software resources. Without an OS, your computer would just be a pile of metal and plastic. The OS acts as an intermediary, allowing you to communicate with the computer without needing to know complex code.
When you click on an icon or open an application,
It's the OS that takes your command and translates it into instructions the computer's processor can understand. Examples of operating systems you've probably heard of include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, utility, software, and drivers. While the OS is the main brain, there are other important pieces of software that help out. Utility software. This is software designed to help manage, maintain, and control the computer. Think of it as a toolkit for your OS. Examples include antivirus software that protects your computer from malware, disk defragmenters that organize files on your hard drive to make them faster to access, and compression software that makes files smaller for storage or sending. Drivers. A driver asterisk is a special type of software that allows your operating system to communicate with a specific hardware device, like a printer, a graphics card, or a keyboard. Without the correct driver, your OS wouldn't know how to use that piece of hardware. When you plug in a new device, the OS often looks for and installs the necessary driver so it can talk to the device. Memory management and multitasking. Ever wondered how your computer can run multiple programs at the same time without crashing? This is where memory management and multitasking come in. Memory management. This is the OS's job of efficiently managing the computer's random access memory RAM, asterisk. The OS decides which parts of the computer's memory are used by which program. When you open an application, the OS allocates a specific amount of RAM for it to run. When you close the program, the OS frees up that memory for other tasks. This ensures that programs don't interfere with each other and that the computer's memory is used effectively. If the computer runs out of RAM, the OS can use a portion of the hard drive as virtual memory, which is a slower but useful backup. Multitasking, asterisk. This is the ability of an OS to perform multiple tasks, seemingly simultaneously. In reality, a single-core processor can only do one thing at a time. The OS uses a technique called time, where it rapidly switches between different tasks, giving each one a tiny slice of processor time. The switching is so fast that to the user, it appears as though all the programs are running at the same time. This is how you can listen to music on Spotify, write a report in a word processor, and browse the web all at once. Hopefully, this has given you a clearer picture of how your computer works behind the scenes. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more GCSE Computer Science content.